you guys are my favorite YouTuber. Let's see this. Oh wow. We got this because you asked to do this one a little bit more. Okay. Oh, that since we had to look. This could be thermal. I think. Right. I think. Batman! Model Train by Batman. And I must just tell you, these are the fastest trains in the UK. And I think this train goes to Paris from London, I guess. See you.